What's up everybody, it's Gwen and welcome back to my channel. Or if you're new, welcome to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing a tutorial on how I achieved this curly bun hairstyle. If you enjoy this video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe. Also be sure to turn on all your notifications and follow me on Instagram and TikTok at SoNaturallyGwen. Also be sure to check out my vlog channel, So Gwen Life, and check out my natural hair coaching program as well as my natural hair store, So Naturally Shop. Everything will be linked in the description box. All right, let's get started. All right, you guys, so let's get started. So I'm starting on freshly washed hair. So first what I'm going to do is take my hair out of this microfiber towel. My hair has been drying for about an hour or so. So starting on the first section, I'm going to release it. And I like to work in big sections like this for this hairstyle because it's really not necessary to use smaller sections, but you can if you want to. First, I'm going to treat my scalp. I'm going to use my So Naturally scalp oil. You can purchase it using the link in my description box. It's essentially just almond oil with a bunch of essential oils. And this really helps to soften my hair, add nutrients to my scalp, and also to just start to add a little bit more like treatment to my hair. I don't know, makes my hair feel nice. So I'm going to be using my go-to combo. So first I'm gonna go in with the Mielle Pomegranate and Honey leave-in conditioner. I just got a new container of this and it's my absolute favorite leave-in conditioner. So I'm gonna use about 2 pumps of that. As my hair has gotten longer, I am more generous. So what I usually will do is just apply it halfway up pretty much, and then go in with some more and apply it to my roots. And I forgot to mention, I use the LCO method when moisturizing my hair. So leave-in cream oil, and that's the combination that I like to use. So next, moving on to cream, I'm going to use the Curl Theory Multi-Style Cream. This is discontinued, and I tried to purchase more, but I wasn't able to. So I have 2 of these left, this one and then another one. So I think I'm good for a little bit, but I just really love this product. It is, the pomegranate and honey is all moisture, but this one has some biotin in it, so it's a little bit strengthening. So I like this, and I'm just gonna use a big dollop of this and put it all over the section. And then moving on to O, I'm going to use some oil. So I'm gonna use castor oil, about that much. And this is a thick oil, so you might have to apply this in 2 doses. Once the section is all moisturized, I'm just going to twist it back up. And then once I get towards the ends, I'm going to apply some castor oil, Jamaican black castor oil actually. Just take it on my finger and tip it over. Apply it, super thick, really great for my ends, and it helps to seal in that moisture. I'm just gonna twist it up and out of the way, and I'm gonna use a butterfly clip and just keep it tucked away so the moisture is trapped inside. And so now I'm going to just repeat the same process on the rest of my head. And I'm going to cover it when I'm not using it. So the areas that I'm not touching, I try to keep covered just so I keep the moisture in so my hair doesn't dry out. All right, you guys, so I am back. So I took a little break and we are going to move on to the rest of the hairstyle. So first what I'm gonna do is take out these front sections, and I'm gonna get some elastic hair ties. I'm gonna take these out, and I'm going to go in with the Uncle Funky's Daughter Curly Magic Curl Stimulator. I love this stuff. So I'm almost out, so I am going to be struggling over here and trying to get the last of the product out. And I'm just gonna apply it to the ends of my hair. So next I'm going to take an extra hair tie. I'm gonna scoop down and bun off the ends, because when you're pulling it through, they get in the way. Then I'm gonna go in with the Wetline Extreme Gel with the green lid. This one is my favorite. You can also use the blue top one, but I find that this one gives a better hold. Rub it in and put it in my hair, mainly on the top. Now, the next step is very crucial because it's gonna make it flake less, or at least I found. I take a Denman brush and I take the edge and I really smooth it. Because if not, there are spaces beneath the gel, because you went like this, right? And you just smoothed it through. It can create globs and then your hair will flake a lot sooner. So I just want to do that. You're not combing through it, you're just smoothing it down with the edge. Use your hands, and then I take a boar bristle brush and really smooth it down. And the Uncle Funky's Daughter gel has a little bit of protein in it, so it's gonna seal your cuticle and make it nice and smooth. And then I take 2 hair ties and I'm going to put it in my hair. Yeah, I tried to pull it back just a little bit because I didn't really want it like a unicorn bun. So anyways, then I'm gonna take it and clip it out of the way. Now the whole section is covered with the Uncle Funky's Daughter. So next I'm gonna flip my hair over. Flip my hair over and kind of direct the hair up. I'm gonna do the same thing as before in that same direction. It's not gonna be perfect. Take the ends and bun it off. So same thing again, just gonna take a helping of the Wetline gel, rub it in so that it's even on your hand. Then I'm gonna take 2 more hair ties and you're gonna make a ponytail and you're gonna try to get it to where it's beneath that first hair tie. You can spray your ponytail if you want to. It's just a little dry. At this point, it still has the Uncle Funky's Daughter gel on it. And I just take a little bit more of the Wetline gel. I'm just gonna coat it lightly. This does dry out my hair, so I don't want to apply too much. It's more of just like a final coating. So that's how it looks when I just put it around, but I like to kind of pull it in different ways just to kind of see if I can make it a little bit bigger. Sometimes it looks okay tight, but I personally feel like a bigger bun looks better, especially because I have such a big head. So you can like just go back and loosen it a little bit, squish it to where it's like almost circular. So next you're gonna need a lot of bobby pins. And don't mind if it's frizzy. We're gonna put a scarf on it and then by morning it'll be a lot smoother. I like to get a hand mirror and look. Make sure it's not too lopsided or anything or anywhere bumps. So next what I'm gonna do is take a little bit more of the wet line gel. Star of the show. This is the Edge Fixer Max Hold and Strawberry Acai. It's the real deal. This is the only edge control that I've been able to find that actually will hold my hair down. So I basically put it on like the very perimeters of my edges. And then finally, I will do my little swoops. So what I do is I don't really swoop the middle. Swoop. I guess I kind of swoop. I'll do like a little bit of sideburn. Okay. And then do swoop. Nothing crazy. Use some Got To Be freeze spray. Just on like the top, just because I don't know, for some reason the very front of my hair and you turn to the side and then you see little flyaways. It's like, it's crazy. Just try your best. Okay, so this is the bun. Okay, done. So now I'm gonna use one of these stretchy scarves. I wash these in the washing machine and then hang them up. So you want a fresh one for the week. And take this, apply it to my edges. You don't want it too tight, because too much pressure at your edges is gonna suffocate the hair follicle and then impede hair growth, and your hair might also fall out because of the rubbing or anything like that overnight. So keep that in mind. And then I want to lay this down, so I'm going to take a stretchy scrunchie, satin scrunchie, and put it just around so this lays the front and the back. And then I'm going to use a big scarf. I lightly tie it because I don't want to create a divot in my edges. And then if you want, you can put a bonnet on top, but I feel like there's a lot of movement with a bonnet and it can possibly come off. So this is what I do. And so this is the preserved hairstyle. So I'm going to sleep and then I will show you guys the finished product in the morning. Bye. Hey, what's up everybody? It's Gwen. So it is the next day. I have let my hair set overnight, so it's time to take it out. So as you can see, this is how my hair looks. The scarf slipped, but it didn't come off. This is what we're working with. So as you can see, there's a nice cast. Well, you can't feel it, but I can say that there is a cast. There's enough layers of gel where it's hardened properly, and even the Got To Be has added some hold. Do is add a little bit more Got To Be sprayed on the sides. And yes, so that's the end of this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed finding out how I achieved my curly bun hairstyle. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe. Also be sure to turn on all your notifications and follow me on Instagram and TikTok at SoNaturallyGwen. And also be sure to check out my vlog channel, So Gwen Life. And be sure to check out my natural hair coaching program as well as my natural hair store, So Naturally Shop. Everything will be linked in the description box in case you're interested. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.